Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create virtual environment. Then we will see how to install the Django in virtual environment, and so let's start. For that, open the command prompt. Before installing the virtual environment, we have to make sure we have a Python install in our system. For that, we have a command python ---- version. Python ---- version. So here you can see in my system I have a 3.10.4 version of Python. So our next step is to install the virtual environment. For that we have a command pip install virtual env. So this is the command to install the virtual environment. In my system you can see it's showing requirement already satisfied because I have already installed the virtual environment. After installing the virtual environment, our next step to create virtual environment. For that we have a command virtual environment, then our virtual environment name. Here you can pass any name. I am giving name Gridi. You can give any name. So here you can see created virtual environment. So I have successfully created virtual environment. After that you have to go inside the virtual environment. For that cd, then virtual environment name. In my case it's a Gridi. So I'm inside my virtual environment, but right now it is not activated. We have to activate our virtual environment. For that we have a one command activate, but before running that command we need to go to script directory. For that cd script, then we have a command activate. So here you can see our virtual environment is activated. Once your virtual environment name is showing at the starting, it means you have successfully activated your virtual environment. After that I'm going to install the Django in the virtual environment. For that we have a command pip install the Django. This is the command to install the Django in virtual environment. This is the same like global installation of Django. So wait for some time, it will take few minutes. Here you can see it successfully installed. It will take few seconds more to install all the packages. Yeah, here you can see all the packages regarding to Django installed. And so this is how you can create virtual environment and install the Django in virtual environment. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.